Oh my god. Oh. Well, it really looks unsuspecting right now.
Alright,
Hunt.
Hunt.
You know,
Why is Hunt have an exclamation point?
Because it's excited. You gotta get hype. Bucket. We should in a bucket.
Well, I can't grab it. Oh!
It starts.
What the
It
fuck?
seems,
I'm gonna go investigate that.
seems you.
I don't wanna!
You have to. That's where the action is.
We came here to get away from it all. So that our lives... I wasn't done!
I love Mike Blossom. Look at my beloved. The flies have made her ugly and rotten. I wish you were beautiful like the squirrels of the wood.
What does that mean?
And so I will cover her in the squirrels of the wood.
Excuse me?
You just woke up and this is what you're doing. You were just in a bed.
The premise of the game is that you have to go kill squirrels and staple them to your dead wife.
That is disgusting.
What the fuck? I was writing, what the fuck?
Nope, don't go out that way yet. Go over
Okay.
there. There's no
Oh no.
I'm leaving.
No.
No. Come on.
Alright.
Say the goat of the wood. Thou shalt not staple squirrels.
Solid advice. Well, if it wasn't for all the blood and such, I would say this is a nice little cabin.
In 5 days, God is coming.
I hate this.
I
I hate this.
love
What
that
the
it looks like a PS2 game.
It was made in, I think,
That.
Di-
Oh,
day one.
it won.
5 days, God is coming.
God is coming. It is time to hunt the squirrels.
I wasn't. Hold on.
Tip of the day. Use the map default tab to orient yourself. Come back tomorrow for another tip.
No.
Hey, there's already one over there.
Poison grass, do not exit. It's already dead! I'm gonna walk up to a carcass.
You just walk over it.
Okay, fine. I don't like this.
I mean, look at all the green. Look, it looks just like Idaho. They're a monster hunter.
You scared it.
Ugh.
Hopefully you can still get it.
There you go.
Got it! Go pick up
Yay.
your prize.
Yay, I got it. How many do I have to get?
5. See your little counter in the corner?
Oh. Goody.
Oh, bullets.
Yum.
Yum.
You don't eat bullets.
They
When they
went...
say eat lead, they didn't literally mean it. It was a threat.
What? What threat?
No, I'm saying that when people say eat lead, it's a threat.
There's no
It's not
threat, Mr. Slayer.
There's no threat. It's just squirrels. They're just squirrels.
I don't believe you.
Squirrels can survive a fall of as much as 30 feet and can jump up to 20 feet.
Cool.
Really?
Are you shit?
All the way from over here? Okay. Wow.
Are you shitting me?
Crouch, for God's sakes. Shoot. There you go.
There we go.
Go get it. That's your last one. You can run now.
Go on, get.
This was day 1. Can't wait to see what day 2 entails.
How do you feel?
I don't like this.
What about it do you not like?
Something doesn't seem right.
I wonder what gave you that impression.
I don't know, maybe the fact I have to use the bodies of squirrels to fix my wife? I hear these moaning sounds. What is that?
That's Daniel playing Mass Effect in the living room.
Oh.
Moaning sounds? That sounded more like a race car.
Honey, I'm
Oh, we should
home.
shut the door.
Alright, staple them to your wife. Staple the squirrels to
Uh.
your beloved. Left mouse.
I'm pressing left mouse.
That's right mouse, dude.
Oh.
Is that 5?
Yeah.
Okay, that's 5.
That was 5. Go to bed.
Well, I guess I'll go to sleep now.
You are sleeping.
Oh, hey, honey, how you doing? Dude, I love your fur coat. It's lovely. Oh, anyways, gotta go hunting. Bye.
It just occurred to me that bucket might be a shit bucket.
Probably. Day 2.
Yeah, dude.
One extra large squirrel. Hmm. Ah!
What the fuck? What the hell?
What was that? What was that? What was that? What was that? What was that?
What the fuck?
What the hell just hit you?
What hit me?
Ow.
What hit me?
Just focus on your objective, okay?
Well, now I'm scared something's here.
Remember, in 5 days, God is coming.
Something's not. I don't trust what's going on here.
You have every right to be scared.
Oh, there's a note.
Small abnormal readings still occurring with odd regularity. Recalibrating always fixes them, but they come back the next day. I also keep finding dead squirrels outside the door. It's like an animal is leaving them, but I'm not noting it as per my instructions. Come back tomorrow for another report. Oh, I missed the first report.
I'm too thick.
That's so stupid how that thing was like, no, don't get up here. He had to go up the stairs, even though it was just like a foot. I don't want squirrels, I want skin. Give me back my skin, or give me yours instead!
Honey? How did you write that? Is that all of them?
Yep, that's it. You are sleeping.
I can't
See, it
handle.
was really funny the first
I told
time,
you,
but
you're gonna hate that squirrel. Because that's the emote in the EC.
God is coming. It's time for day 3.
Give it up
for day 3!
Yay.
Oh, I'll admit, that letter actually was pretty fucking creepy. Just, oh.
Something
Day
is
3!
something is scratching it on the wind. Something is scratching on the windows, and then something else.
Something was scratching on the windows last night.
Where?
I don't know. It sounded like it was behind you.
Oh, tracks!
Oh.
Tracks! They're going in a... Oh, yeah, that's something... These are not normal squirrel tracks.
Oh, shit.
Something out there is hunting me.
Oh. Those are not normal animal tracks.
Shoot! You got it.
What do you think of this game, Terry?
Terry doesn't like it.
He's like, no.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you right now. This whole experience, I don't like it. I don't like it whatsoever. What is that?
I don't know. I don't like it. It's a weird thing. It's like it looks like it used to be a tree.
It looks like a It's really sculpted. It looks like a totem or something.
Or something. It wasn't there yesterday? Question mark.
I don't think it was.
Okay, let's just go hunt squirrels.
Yeah, let's go hunt some squirrels.
I think I heard something.
Where?
I don't know.
Myth, you're scary, B.
I'm sorry. I heard a noise, and it turned out to just be Rez taking a piss.
Yeah, there you go.
There we go. We're being efficient.
Hold on. What's that note? Squirrel pack.
Squirrels have urine release valves under their eyes and urinate on each other's faces to communicate?
What the What?
I don't know how accurate that one is.
I don't... That sounds like not a thing.
Okay, that's your fifth squirrel. You just need a big one.
Alright, how...
That's not
What was that?
Ah! Jesus! I think your scare scared me more.
You got attacked by a ghost squirrel!
It's a ghost!
I think we know what attacked you yesterday.
What the fuck? Why are there ghost
It
squirrels?
was a ghost squirrel!
He was literally like, drive by.
Like, what was that? Ah! It's a ghost squirrel!
I
That just took so much of the fear out of it for me. Like, oh, it's a ghost squirrel!
What is that? Shoot it! Jesus, Daniel, you're just standing there.
What the fuck was that? You were supposed to shoot it!
Why did you shoot it? Oh, yeah.
Space. Enter.
Enter. Escape. Escape.
W-A-S-D.
Escape. Escape.
Escape.
Escape.
Where's escape?
On the left side. It's over here. There you go.
Restart.
Yeah, now I can really tell he does not do computer things.
Escape.
I don't know what it means. It's funny. It's spelled just like the word escape.
Oh my god. I'm kind of in Mr. Slayer's shoes. Like, oh, I want this experience to be over too.
Alright.
We are at the hour mark.
We are.
Alright. Get up. I'll go get the fucking big squirrel.
Ooh, boy, I get to title the video Myth and Mr. Slayer play Squirrel Stapler. I can pause it, Mr. Slayer.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know if I can. This is like, man.
It's too much for you.
I get to be in a nice chair.
Yeah, you get to be in my...
Okay.
Good luck, Myth. You know what you're doing.
Okay, that control.
Check the controls.
The control button is a little sticky.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Where is it?
Oh fuck. What? I'm sorry?
Hello? Did something just explode behind you?
Yes?
What
Oh, I took damage. Oh my god, my health was like that low.
I think that board thing charged at you again,
The fuck?
but you survived because you didn't get hit by the ghost squirrel.
Oh. Let's see what this says today.
It might say the same thing.
There's something in the woods here that we didn't expect. I keep finding tracks and hear it at night, moving through the foliage and scratching on the concrete. And then one morning there are squirrels outside the door with their limbs pulled off and their heads twisted around. Dozens of them requesting a call for instructions on how to proceed. Oh, is that it? No, he's small. Oh, I see him. Wait, no.
Is it the big one?
I saw the big fucker. He's going across that way.
Yeah, Myth's got the gamer instincts. I don't even see it. But
I saw it. I saw like the top of its head just going across that horizon.
Is that the big squirrel?
No. No, that was a very red thing. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. God damn it. You did not reload this.
Okay.
I misclicked. Damn it, where'd it go? Oh, the ghost squirrel. Do you see it? There it is. Vengeful ghost squirrel. Yeah, these are enough squirrels for today.
One more. We just got 2 more days.
Balls. I should head back home. Definitely.
I wonder what. No.
I hope no.
Left.
I hope no vengeful ghost squirrels come out and drive by slap me. This is not the right one.
Yes, that way.
Yeah.
Is that skin? I don't think she's there.
I don't want to look behind me. Should I look behind me?
Well, you have to staple the squirrels.
Why can't you staple the squirrels?
Maybe she's just.
In a different room.
Something's not. What is happening?
Oh, you're having dinner, honey? Yes?
What the fuck?
Do you want to have dinner? Yes? Oh, God damn it. Okay, cool. I'm going to bed. Cool. It's fine. I'm fine. It's fine. I am sleepy.
I'm still not. Even when I'm not playing, I'm not liking this still.
Day 4.
Alright, she's back on the wall.
Yeah.
Yeah, there she is.
Oh. Cool. Bye, honey. I'll be back.
One more day until God is coming again.
God will be here. I don't.
What that means, I have no idea.
I'm gonna have a great time rewatching this alone.
If you're being attacked, use circle strafe tactics and dodge around obstacles. Serpentine.
What, there's still other things on there, weren't there?
They just add a new tip every day. Wait.
Oh, just one.
What?
That's me grumbling because now I have to go. Balls. Fudge sickles. Wait. That's a new one. You couldn't see it, but I read this note and I just turned around to look at Rez. Jesus. Oh, it's over here now.
What?
Squirrel bear.
Squirrel bear?
It's a squirrel bear. That's what that bitch is.
Probably try shooting it and see what happens.
Okay.
Might as well.
Might as well. We're at the start of the day. I don't have anything to lose. Hey, bitch! Yeah, come at me. No, it just exploded and hurt me. Okay. I didn't kill it.
Cannot kill it. Got it.
Cool. It just runs at me and explodes. Another fucking one. Hello?
Where?
Just go through the building.
Sir? Sir? Are you there? Are you stuck?
Help.
Oh, there's another one. Did you see it?
Oh my god. Now we can get a close look at it. He wants to get at you.
We can tango. We can tango if you want to. You can leave your friends behind. I'm gonna get this note, because I know you can't explode on me. Our artist lifted the axe, tears streaming down his face. The half-woman continued to scream and claw.
He brought the axe down. Her left arm rolled across the floor, and still she screamed and writhed. He brought it down again, separating her skull into 2 parts, and somehow still she screamed. Again the axe came down, and again, and again, and again, until she screamed no more.
Like, probably.
Probably. I can't even get the fucking bullets. There's so much more squirrel bears out today. Ah, there's Hell. You're
Oh, he's stuck in there.
yeah.
He spawned in there.
Do you think that he will explode as soon as I get near?
I don't know. There's only one way to find out.
He's got a big lower jump.
Damn it!
Do it again. You're right. I don't think. What was that behind you?
Hi, honey. What's up? Oop, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. Why?
It's like, yeah, I saw something in the corner. I was just like, miss.
Hey, were you planning on making this a video?
No, I was just gonna record it for my own amusement.
Okay.
You know, she's fucking with you, right?
Alright,
Are you hearing me? No, you're deaf as shit. Goodbye. I don't wanna.
You got him.
Come on, Myth, we just have one more day and then we can go have barbecue.
Just
Come on.
Just think about the barbecue. Just think about the barbecue. What are we having?
Hot dogs and hamburgers.
Oh, goody. Are you in here? No. It's fine. It's nothing. I'm just gonna scream and everyone's gonna laugh, and you know, I'm totally safe in here. Yeah.
Hey, honey.
I got you more. Goddamn.
Saw you went on a walk
Oh.
today.
You are sleeping. Wow. I really don't want to turn to the right.
This game is really good at its spheres, I'll give it that.
Rez, I need you to hype me up. Slap me in the face. It's fine.
She's still there. She's still covered in squirrels.
Cool. In 5 days, God is coming.
Day 5.
Stay 5. Give it up for day 5.
Give it up for day 5.
Give it up for day. God is coming today.
God is coming today.
God is coming today. You still gotta go kill squirrels.
You squirrels. Just get it over with. Good luck. Fuck that. Fuck that so hard. I have 2 squirrels this time. Yeah. Oh, fuck this. At least, you know, I'll give it the benefit of a doubt that I'll give it the benefit of a doubt that I thought this was going to happen in complete darkness, but no, it's like an open field, and yet there are more squirrels than you have bullets, and you have made him very, very angry. Yeah, please, God, not God.
God's coming.
Jesus fucking.
Yes? Yes?
It was just a drive-by slapping.
Is that a ghost squirrel? I didn't see it. Well, you better go get some help in case you run into a squirrel bear.
Ah, God, that's devious.
You are lonely. Start crushing it.
I see you.
Good job.
All right.
Time to meet meet God.
Do
we have to meet God?
I mean, we could just gather around the barbecue.
Go get the squirrel before a squirrel bear shows up.
Okay, you're right.
God is coming in 2 minutes. What the fuck?
Better get back to the house.
Well, it's a game over if he comes.
Back to the house.
Why is there a timer?
Better find somewhere to hide. God's coming. Myth.
What?
The bears charge at you. Run.
What do you mean?
Run.
What's happening?
Oh, God. Is it gonna be loud? She's not telling me!
That's what's happening.
God.
That's what's happening.
Shut up! Behind me.
It's you.
Behind me.
It's you.
Behind me.
It's you, man.
I'm not gonna look behind me!
Gotta. Gotta.
Ah! You win! Fuck off. Fuck off. Freaking. Oh, F4. But fuck you! Did I break? Fuck. Ugh.
I have waited 2 weeks for that.
I was just like, alright, fine. Whoop!
There he is.
There he is. It's okay, Mr. Slayer. We're both scared together.
It's okay. It's all over now.
It's all over now. God came.